Hello everyone, in this video I will compare Exness and BingX. Exness and BingX both let you trade online, but they target somewhat different users and strengths. Exness is a global trading platform that mainly focuses on Forex and CFD trading. It offers tight spreads, fast execution, and several account types to suit both beginners and professional traders. Many users like that it supports MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, which are popular platforms for analysis and trading. Deposits and withdrawals are smooth, with multiple payment options and no hidden fees. The platform is also regulated in several regions, which adds trust and security for traders. Some people find the advanced tools a bit overwhelming at first, but the learning curve is manageable. BingX is a cryptocurrency trading platform that offers spot trading, futures, and copy trading features. It is popular because users can follow and copy the trades of experienced traders, which helps beginners learn while trading. The platform supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies and has an easy-to-use mobile app and website. Many traders like its social trading community, where they can share strategies and ideas. BingX also provides competitive fees and regular promotions to attract users. Security is a priority, with features like cold storage and account protection, though it is not as heavily regulated as some traditional brokers. Overall, Exness is better for regulated Forex and CFD trading, while BingX is better for social and crypto trading. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.